Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a short explanation of the types of alif lam. And the focus of this lecture is on the alif lam in the word alhamdu, which is the first word of the second verse of suuratul Faatiha. In the Arabic language, an indefinite word such as qalamun, which means a pen, becomes definite when the definite article alif lam is added to it. That is, it becomes al-qalamu. Which means the pen. This type of alif lam in the word al-qalamu is called alif lam al-ahdiyatu. That is the referential alif lam. It is a type of alif lam that has to do with having a previous knowledge of a word. And so the word pen, in this example, the pen, is known to both the speaker and the listener. There is another type of alif lam, which is called alif lam al-jinsiyatu. That is the generic alif lam. This type does not have to do with having a previous knowledge of a word. And the first type is the alif lam al-jinsiyatu li-istighraq al-jins. This means the generic alif lam that covers every member of the genus. For example, in the word al-insanu, in the sentence al-insanu yamut, the alif lam could correctly be replaced with kullu. Which means every. So the sentence al-insanu yamut, which means man dies, could also be written as kullu insanin yamut, which means every man dies. Now back to the focus word of this lecture. The alif lam in the word alhamdu is the alif lam al-jinsiyatu li-istighraq al-jins. And that is why the word alhamdu is being translated as every praise or all praise. And so the meaning of the whole verse is every praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the universe. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.